In this video, I'll show you how to use eye tracking on iOS 18. Now, there's a few things to keep in mind. Number one, you will have to be on iOS 18 in order to do this. So keep that in mind. As long as you're on iOS 18, the official version, even the betas, but the official version, then you should be good to go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go make your way over to your settings application of your iPhone. So then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see this little option right here that says accessibility. So tap on accessibility. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see this little option right here that says eye tracking. So tap on eye tracking. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enable eye tracking, which shows up right here. Now, as soon as you do that, it's going to tell you to go ahead and follow these dots onto the display. So as soon as it detects your face, it's going to go and pull up these dots on your face. So it says, bring your face into view, and then all you want to do is follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm basically doing that right now. If I'm looking at my display, you just want to follow those on-screen instructions. So then all you want to do is follow those instructions. And then you will see that after following these specific instructions, you should then be able to go ahead and basically get eye tracking enabled. So then wherever you look on your particular display, that eye tracking will then be enabled. And it's actually pretty cool. So you can then go through and customize these settings. So you can turn on smoothing, you can, customize your smoothing, options, whichever way you want to. Snap to item, you can go and have that dot zoom on keyboard keys so it automatically moves the pointer to nearby items. Auto hide and blur control, so you can enable those options as well. So that's basically how you can use and enable eye tracking on your iPhone on iOS 18. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.